Good afternoon. My name is Bill Stubbles. I'm one of the solutions engineers for the GoAnywhere product. This is the first in a three-part series of videos on the AS2 or Applicability Statement 2 file transfer protocol. These videos are intended as overviews. Our professional services team has an hour-long training class available for anyone looking for a deeper dive. The class is GAMFT 115, Automating File Transfers with AS2. You can check with your sales representative for more information. AS2 is an HTTP-based protocol designed to transmit messages across a public network with a focus on integrity, security, and non-repudiation. SSL certificates are used to ensure authentication of both the sender and the recipient, as well as security by encrypting the data. A message integrity check, or MIC, ensures the integrity of the data during transit, and a message disposition notification, or MDN receipt, ensures non-repudiation, meaning neither party can deny that the data exchange took place, making an end-to-end AS2 file transfer a legal transaction. AS2 is a push-only protocol. Typically, we're going to be setting up both server-side for your trading partner to upload files to you, as well as client-side for you to upload files to your trading partner. These will be the subjects of the next videos in the series. Before you can exchange files using AS2, you need to exchange three pieces of information with your trading partner. You need to exchange your public SSL certificates, which will be used for message encryption and digital signature verification, as well as your AS2 system IDs and AS2 listener URLs. I'll go through more detail on each of these in the server-side and the client-side overviews. For this video, we're going to take a high-level look at how an AS2 data transfer works in GoAnywhere. As I mentioned, AS2 is a push-only protocol. There is no option to get a file in the AS2 protocol. Once the sender and recipient have exchanged their information, we start with the data. In this example, we're using an invoice that's generated by either an external system or as part of a GoAnywhere project or workflow. However the file is generated, it's handed off to a GoAnywhere project that includes the AS2 task. The message integrity check, or MIC, is calculated. This is a checksum that will be used on the recipient's end to ensure the integrity of the data, that it has not been altered in transit. The file is digitally signed using the sender's private SSL certificate, and then encrypted using the recipient's public SSL certificate. As I mentioned, SSL certificates are part of the information you need to exchange with your trading partner. Once the MIC has been calculated, once the file has been signed and encrypted, it's ready for upload to the trading partner, where they will go through a reverse of the sender's process. The file is decrypted using the recipient's private certificate. The signature is validated using the sender's public certificate, and a new MIC is calculated and compared to the initial value. Once we've validated the sender, once we've validated the recipient, and once we have validated the integrity of the data, the recipient can then generate and digitally sign the message disposition notification receipt, the MDN, and return this to the sender. This is the non-repudiation, the legal proof to both parties that the data exchange was successful and that this is a legal transaction. Next up, we'll take a look at the server-side setup and the client-side setup for AS2 within GoAnywhere. Before we do that, I want to take just a moment to mention the AS2 Quick Start guides we have included in the built-in help. You'll see this question mark in the upper right corner of every screen within the GoAnywhere application. This is how you launch the built-in help. You can come up here to the search bar and type in AS2 Quick Start. And this will show you our quick start for the AS2 service, which we'll be reviewing in the next video, and then the quick start for the AS2 client, which we'll be reviewing in video number 3. These guides will walk you through step by step, generating the certificates, configuring the AS2 service in this case, what information you need to share with the partner, creating the web user. That's the information we'll go over in video number 2. quick start for the AS2 client. We will go through video number 3, where we will show you defining the AS2 resource, and then we will build a project out to use the AS2 task to go ahead and show you the end-to-end process. Thank you for your time.